That's the way the Balsa flies, guys. It flies so locked in. And you gotta love the sound of 3-blade prop. Let's go ahead and power up this Seagull's model T6-A Texan 2 that I picked up from Gator. You guys are gonna hear the Mr. RC sound system. Here we go.
Motor throttle active. Motor idle speed.
The lights on this are really cool. You can even see them in the daylight from here. Those are from davesrcelectronics.com, davesrce.com. Quick ground check. Up elevator, down elevator, left rudder, right aileron, left aileron. We are on takeoff flaps, so half flaps. About half power on a power 90 running 8S. And away we go.
Flaps up.
High rates.
Gear wrap.
Each time I fly this, I like it more and more. It's such a easy, gentle flying plane. Sound system sounds great. Thing has awesome power. We're about half throttle right there again.
6 minutes.
This thing climbs with authority. Absolutely no problem with power. It slows down pretty nice as well. Next time around, I'll bring it down for a slower pass.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
Just bring it by on a semi-dirty pass here. Got full flaps.
5 minutes. Takeoff flaps.
Flaps up.
And we'll fly on 8S, 5,000 packs in this. We can fly roughly about 8 minutes. So a good 8 minutes of flight time. Go up, pull into a loop, into a Cuban 8. Nice power. Rolls. Bring it by on a full speed. That's the way the Balsa flies, guys. It flies so locked in. And you gotta love the sound of 3-blade props. Now that's a master air screw on that thing. 3-blade. If I have to remember here, I believe it was a 1610 is what I put on that thing. And again, power 90, and we're using a Jeti Mezzan Light 120 ESC in this. And this is a Seagull's model Texan 2, T6-A Texan 2. And I picked this up over at Gator-Rc. And like I said, every time I fly this plane, it just grows on me. Such a nice flying warbird.
Minutes. 2 minutes.
All right, nice flight. Next time around, we're gonna start setting up the land. We'll do a gear run here. We'll get the flaps down on base.
Gear down.
So there's our gear. As we come by, do a very quick gear check. Now these are the retracts that come with this, and they've held up really, really well. They're mechanical retracts. So we'll start coming around the
TakeOff flaps.
base. It's a little bit windy here today.
Landing flaps.
Start backing out of the power, over the tops of them trees. Just let it glide in. We'll control the speed here, the descent with some power.
1 minute.
Bring her
50
back
seconds.
around. That one's nice. Wind pushed it a little bit on me, but it's the way they go. We have a lot of nice runway
20
here.
seconds.
We're about 1,600 feet in length. You see them landing gear lights coming in I put in? Look at them things. And then the wingtip lights, the nav lights.
30 seconds.
Check that out. Now we'll power it down.
Engine throttle clear. 20 seconds.
There you go. Special thanks to my camera lady.
9.
Thank you.
8. 7.
Let's
6.
clear that. So anyway, it's Brendan here at Just Plain Crazy. If you liked it, like it, smash that like button, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and select all. I appreciate you guys hanging out to watch another flight out here with us. I'm Just Plain Crazy. I know you guys are just plain crazy. Peace out. Happy flights.